I'm about to harvest some vegetables for our dinner. I am making chicken like soup. Most of the leafy greens are bolted already, but there are some that can still be harvested, like this one. This is bok choy. I love the stock. It's like really crunchy, which is like perfect on the chicken soup. I am making like Filipino version of chicken soup. Like we call it like chicken tinola. This one has not bolted yet, but maybe about to bolt too. And this one too. When they stand like long, like stalks like this has bolted. Look at that. It has like stand like flower stalks. This is arugula. I always show this because I think that it is like really pretty. So I will only like put vegetables that we can consume like today, and then I'm sure there will be like leftover soup, so I'm going to add more vegetables tomorrow, so the vegetables are not like overcooked. And like you have to, when I have to reheat the soup. This one, the other one, I'll save for tomorrow, and there's another one here too. For tomorrow's lunch. My leafy vegetables harvest, and I have more lettuce there for tomorrow's lunch, and then we're going to switch to tomatoes. My harvest for our backyard garden, and then avocados from our neighbor. We did not plant avocado tree because they usually grow like huge, and we don't have a space for like for them. That's why. But our neighbors, they have avocado trees. Now let's add the vegetables from the garden. This is chicken wing soup, so we have the chicken wings there, the vegetables from the garden, and then I also added like chayote, like this chayote. Let's eat. It's a beautiful day to be in the backyard garden. It's not only ornamental plants that are in full bloom during springtime, even the fruit-bearing trees too. This is a nectarine tree, and then behind it is a plum tree, and both have like gorgeous flowers right now. Even this one. This is an orange tree, and then look at the flowers. See? We have more here. Oh, this one too. This is a grapevine. I'll show you. Also, you can see the pink flowers, I think, from here. So this is a grapevine. Look at the flowers. It's so fragrant here. I already mentioned last time. Flowers here. It has like this one. It's also like a flower. It has a lot of flowers. And again, this is another orange tree with like flowers too. See? Very fragrant flowers. Oh, so fragrant. This is a plum tree, and look at the gorgeous like flowers. And this goes all the way to the top. And then the other tree here is this is a nectarine tree with flowers that are very similar to nectar plant and then peach tree. So those three, nectar plant, nectarine, and peach, they are very similar like flowers, pink flowers. This one is, the plum tree is white, kind of like pear tree, also has white. So that is the plum tree. I said it goes all the way to the top, like the flowers go all the way to the top. It would be really nice if the sky is blue, but right now it's like kind of like cloudy, so you couldn't see it because it's also white, but you can see it from here, like really white flowers. That side, that's the peach So these are like the beach flowers, beach tree with the hummingbird feeders. It's a joy to watch hummingbirds up close on the hummingbird feeders. This is a gold winner in News Design Awards. And this one is really pretty too. Love the vibrant colors. This is blue and yellow. And this one is like blue, green, and red. I like that they are made of glass instead of plastic, which means they will last long. And the colors will stay vibrant over time. They come with large modes to keep the ants away. Very pretty design, which makes them super attractive to hummingbirds. The feeding ports are well designed and could only fit the hummingbirds like bill or beak, which will protect the nectar from bees. I have 2 hummingbird feeders here. They were sent to me by King's Yard. I really like this because this is made of glass. So with glass, it stays like clear and neat versus plastic, which like fades over time, changes color and then fades over time. To make a hummingbird nectar, all you need is a pure cane, granulated sugar, and then water. So the ratio is 1:4. So I have 2 cups of water here, and I need half a cup. This is half a cup of like sugar. And this is there we go. It has a wide opening too. Look at the mouth. So it's really easy to add on the nectar. The size of this is just like perfect for the bill or the beak of hummingbirds, and 6 like hummingbirds could feed onto this feeder at the same time. Bird feeders. Bird feeders are sweet and thoughtful gifts to friends and family for Mother's Day, birthdays, Teacher's Day, and any other special occasion. Go check them out. They're from King's Yard. Links are down below if you are interested. I'll show you these gorgeous flowers. These are so beautiful. Love this one. I've shown you this before. This one is so beautiful. Look at this. Oh my gosh, so pretty. You see? I'll show you the like one petal. Look at that. Very, very pretty. It's a beautiful, beautiful day, and so relaxing to be in the backyard garden. If you're looking for an LED solar lights for your fence, your walkway, or like a staircase, check this out. They are solar powered, so you can install them anywhere without worrying if there's an electric outlet nearby. Here are a box of 8 outdoor solar fence lights that was sent to me by Bright Ever. This is white and the other one is RGB white. This has like 8 solar fence lights. This is the solar panel and these are the lights. Comes with like 8 of this. So you have 2 options in terms of anchoring this onto the fence, either to use the screws and the butterflies that were provided, or to like use the double-sided tape. I'm using the double-sided tape for now to see if it works. If it doesn't, then I'll move on to the like screws. So far I installed 2 already. This is just like faster way to install. Have to count now. I have like 15 plank gap, so I count like 1, 2, 3. It can fully charge within 6 to 8 hours and will illuminate at night for up to 10 hours. There are 3 color temperature options: cozy warm white, soft neutral white, and bright cool white. These solar fence lights feature up-to-date technology which enhances the brightness and decorative appeal. If you have a fence and don't have a fence light like this yet, check this product out.